title's gonna be like.
Okay, you wanna watch? You wanna watch?
Oh.
Look. Look.
Okay.
I can't.
Why is a spider going up there?
Ready?
Yes.
Oh, it's dry. It took me a really long time to take it off. It's watery now.
Okay.
Well, now, look. You wanna see it? You wanna see it? Look, look, look.
Oh.
Oh my god, I can't. It's gonna take me like a whole minute. Okay, you really do. My eyeball is so big.
Don't worry, Ellie. You got this. You got this. You got this. You got
It takes me like 3 whole minutes to take this off.
Takes you 3 whole minutes? Oh crap. I'll go check.
Why?
Why what?
Start to see now. This one has my contact. Here, can you mark that one? It's with the nail polish or something. Just mark it. Just put an R on it.
R?
Yeah.
Oh crap, it's already thundering outside. Oh no. I colored myself bad that it looks like I got a cut. Oh, it's you, Joey. It scared me.
See? A minute. 2 minutes passed. It hurts.
Takes you a whole 3 minutes. Oh. I need
I'm gonna be
salt.
here like the whole day.
You're not. If you were, I would be like here. Like, what are you doing here?
Did you mark the...
I didn't mark it.
Watery thingy. It hurts.
Don't worry. You can get this out in no time.
Flies. You're all flies.
It's not. I believe in you, Yule. If you can take away that contact. Ow.
You know you spilled nail polish. Oh my god.
Dang it, it's stuck on there.
No, it's not. Just wash it out with soap or something.
It's not working.
Wait. Let me just take off my contact.
Oh! Crap, crap.
It hurts. I'm gonna need my dad to help me out.
He's gonna wash.
No, it's taking like 4 whole minutes. Bye-bye. Wait. Look at the mess he made. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? So, you see it? You see it? That purple stuff. It's all him. He made all that.
All day, all night.
Say bye-bye. Say bye.
It's probably gonna take
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. You know they can still see it, right?
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
No,
It's still going.